Hi, I'm so excited. Hello everybody, today we're gonna make DIYs. I've been wanting to make this video for a while and it's finally time, and you know what I think? I think this is gonna go completely wrong. I think it's gonna turn out not great. That's not the point. The point is that it's fun. This is not everything that I got. I have more stuff laying here. We're gonna make the heart tray, which I'm gonna do first, which I'm actually very excited about. Then we're gonna do the CDs, like that you peel off and then you like draw or paint on it. I think that one's gonna go really wrong, but we'll see. We're also gonna do the bended candles thing. Let's just get started because I think this is gonna take a while. I have these beautiful, how do you call this?
Placemat.
Placemat, seriously? Nate? It's sticky! They're really ugly, I know, but believe me, this is the best we had. We're gonna start with the clay tray. I got some air drying clay. It does not say how long you have to leave it to dry. Warning, small parts can be swallowed. So, great. I'm so not prepared. I already like this. I think this is gonna be a really bad video. I got a second camera right there. I don't have two tripods, so it's kind of improvised, but I hope it's still some kind of a good view, but you're gonna have to do it with that. Okay, should I just roll it out now? It feels wet. I'm gonna do it like this. I don't know how thick it needs to be, actually. You're supposed to like roll it out, make it flat. I think this is good. We're gonna have to cut the heart out. I'm nervous. Okay. That's not bad. Oh my god. That's a heart. Now we have to like make the edges. Is that how you call it? It's not even. I really hope it's long enough. Oh my god, it's moving. I got some kind of edge. Would it be cute if I like folded the edges? If I like fold the edges. Oh my god, that would be so cute. I think you're like supposed to make some kind of edge on the inside. So like I'm putting some kind of edge in now. You can barely see what I'm doing. I hate that. So I'm gonna try and use water to like smooth it out. Oh my god, it's actually working. I think I'm kind of done with this one. I do think I want to make another one. We're just gonna make it this size again because I really like this size though, so that's good. Okay, this one I want to have to be a little bit thinner. Oh, it's not even, but it's a hard. We need to make it long. I don't know how to do this. This is going fantastic. I gotta say, I do like doing this again. It's fun. Oh my god. I did not expect that. This is what they look like up close. This is the first one. I folded the edges down a little bit. The thing on the inside, it's not very smooth. And this is the second one. This one looks really good. I made the edge on the inside a little bit thinner. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna make the other things. You're gonna see me when I'm actually gonna paint it, which I think will still be today. Enjoy me painting these trays. Hey, I'm back. So it's time to paint. It's a few days later. It actually took like 2 days to dry. There was no way I could paint it the same day, but okay, we're here now. It's fine. Here they are. This one turned out not so pretty. This one I do like, but now it's time to paint them. I have a bunch of paint right here. I definitely want to do one with the red and pink. The other one, probably brown. Yes, let's get started. First, I want to try and kind of draw what I want to paint, if that makes sense. I'm gonna start with this one. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I'm gonna add a little bit of this one. That's pretty.
Feels like I have been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. so far away.
Okay, they're pretty much done, but I'm just gonna show you the end results right now. I don't really have that protection stuff. I do want to get that. They're not that bad. I expected them worse, but they could have been better. I am a little bit proud. These are finished now. Let's go to the CDs. Okay, next we're gonna paint some CDs. I have a bunch of empty CDs here. I tried it out on one of these and it works, but like on the inside it's kind of hard to get off. When I was looking for CDs, I already found a clear one. I'm gonna take advantage of it and use it. I don't know which side is the front and which is the back. But anyways, I got some tape here, I got some scissors, and I also got some markers. Yay, it's the right side. I don't know how many I want to make. I think I want to make like 2 or 3. Wow. This is such annoying stuff. Oh my god, cut! Also, these are like a little bit more of a green tint, and this one is like so clear. So yeah, that's also a thing. Oh my god. Is this the right side? I think this is the good side. No, it's not. Oh my god, there's so much of that stuff on my pants. I kind of want to try and make one with a cow print. So I think I want to do that. But I have a really cute one here. I really like the blue one with the stripes, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I also don't know if I have the best paint for this. I'm kind of scared to do this. I'm going to try and make a cow print. Oh, the smell. Oh my god. I can be like kind of creative, but I'm not so good at painting and drawing and stuff. I'm really concentrating right now. I don't want to talk too much and ruin it. I'm just gonna put a piece of paper underneath. I feel like this is one of the easier DIYs, but like you have to be able to draw, you know? Doesn't this look so cool? It looks not very good, but it's fun. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, first one's done. This is the first one. I will show you up close later. I think I'm just gonna paint the one that I know I want to paint already. I do think I want to paint it pink because I already have a lot of pink here. I don't know how well this is gonna go. This is what it looks like now. It has all those lines. I want it even. How am I ever gonna paint something on this? I think it needs to dry, but I so do not have time for that. I turned on my light. I hope it's better. I have one very clean one left. I do have one idea, and it is like making clouds. So this is gonna turn out bad, but I have no other ideas. So we're gonna do it anyway. Here goes nothing. I'm so gonna ruin this. Let's do it. Okay, not a bad start. I'm not gonna show you this one up close. Look, it's so pretty. So this one is really ugly. I don't want to show it to you. I know. And the pink one, I want to paint over it, but I think it's gonna take some time to dry. If I paint it over it, you will see it now. If not, we're gonna move on. Look how it turned out. This one's pretty. Now this one, not so much. But this one's pretty though. And that one is not finished. So, you know, great. Candles. I got candles. We got the candles. I hope they're warm enough, bendy enough. Oh my god, it's really dangerous having a cat around when you're painting and stuff. By the way, I didn't even tell. I got 2 colors of candles because they came in a pack of 8. I'm gonna try and do it fast, and I'm kind of scared to do this. I'm gonna put them back. This didn't happen. So. Should I just bend them in the water? Because that seems to go fine. I think I'm gonna try that because I don't want to break anymore. It's just a waste. So we're gonna have to do it like this. I just don't know how else to do it. They keep breaking. Let's try it this way. They seem to move so easily in the water. Do you see this? Like it bends so easily and it's not breaking. This is also a way to do it. We're doing it our own way. How do you make it stand? I'm trying to make it flat on the bottom. Okay, it's kind of standing. Okay, let me try and do that. Am I doing it right? I feel like this is not how it's supposed to be. This is kind of a little harder than I expected it to be, and it bends easily, it does. I just expected it to go a little bit easier. Okay, so this is the next one. Oh, there's this really cool one. I don't know how that's gonna go, but let's just go for it. But this is kind of cool, look at this. I'm trying to make it flat at the bottom so it'll stand easier. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I'm doing. This is fun though. Oh my god, it's not standing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's standing. Okay. Oh no. Oh, this one. Yes. Let me try it. It's a little tricky. So this is what I'm trying to make now. Seems kind of hard. You have to make it all like balanced. Oh no. It broke. The bending part isn't so hard. It's making sure that they stand. That is the hard part. Yes. I got it. I think I want to do this one again with the white one, but then maybe a little different, like this or something. Is it cute? Oh no. Okay. And it needs to be more balanced. This is hard. Stupid gravity. Oh my god. You go warm up. I think I'm gonna do this one in the S shape as well. Okay. Maybe this one a little wider. It's breaking. Why are you breaking? This one's not so pretty. Yay. It's standing. Okay, now about this one, I think I'm gonna have to bend it a little further. This one is really not working with me here. Okay, it's fine. The candles are done. They're not great. They're not all steady. This is harder than I thought. I mean, the bending part is easy. Making it stand is hard. I don't know what went wrong. 4 out of 6 are standing. I'd say that's a success, right? I'm gonna try and make them stand again, but this is it for now. So, that was it. I can't say I really succeeded in this video. That is it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun, so I do think I will do this again. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. Watch my other DIY videos that are not made by me, but just cute videos of DIYs. I hope I will see you next time. Oh my god, I'm so done with this video. Oh my god.